most recent high, most recent low. That is a purple candle, as in it is the most recent low. Or I think it's a black candle actually, I don't know. Still, most recent low. Okay, 30-minute time frame, most recent high, most recent low, using the GAN box here. 50 or 0.5 is the mark that we're looking at. If we zoom in here, we can see this initial first bearish candle right here breaks below that line and closes, and then the next candle is going to be a bullish candle that closes above that line, which is a quick liquidity grab for all the idiots out there, basically. And then just basically a retest candle, if anything, from my understanding, and then a confirmation of a bearish candle closing below that line again, and then downwards. And from my understanding, this is going to keep going downwards until it's outside the box. At least it's about to close in 5 seconds here, so we can see how strong they start out, but it's looking like a strong bearish downward. I mean, there is some retest here. You can see a lot of buyers trying to push it back up, but you can already tell this candle is starting off a little weak. Yeah, a little weak. It might fluctuate up a little bit, but I can already see the momentum it's going in. If I can get like the paintbrush wherever that's at, this is what I'm thinking is going to happen. Something like that for sure. But yeah, this is definitely my understanding so far. So this is a good equilibrium example for a bearish side. So you basically got first bearish candle closes below 50% mark, which is disrespecting the equilibrium here, or I guess respecting it in this case, because, you know, well, it would be disrespecting it because you can see these candles are going up, and the initial bullish here closes above it, but it was too weak, way too weak in this area, consolidates for a bit, because that's what equilibrium is supposed to do. It's consolidation at that point, it's stagnancy. But the stagnancy fell short into a bearish candle and a long engulfing bearish candle, which closes below it. And then the initial after the first bearish is a bullish, and it closes above the line just barely, but it's a retest. Retest fails / liquidity grab, and then second bearish confirmation. Okay, so basically this is a good example, and I have confirmed it. So yeah, this is a good bearish example. I think I could find a couple more for sure. We're just gonna leave that here. I mean, there's a whole nother 25, 27 minutes until that candle closes, but like I said, it's gonna do that little alley-oop and then go down again, you know, basic retest. But yeah, okay, so we can try to find some other examples here. Maybe we can try this area. So we got most recent high, most recent low, breaks up above. There we go. That's a good kind of a bearish example or bullish example. Maybe we can try like most recent low, most recent high. Okay, closes above, too weak, went up. That's a good example kind of right there. We got most recent high and then most recent low, but it's actually the candle before that. But still, this is a bad example, so we're gonna move on. It's really hard, you know, this one is kind of difficult. I've been trying to find out how to make this work, how to understand equilibrium for the past like 2 hours, because it's 2:43 a.m. right now. But hey, I understand bearish right now, and yeah. So we got most recent high and then most recent low. Candles didn't retest well enough. Pushes above, shoots down low. Oh, okay. So this is a decent example right here for, I guess, a bearish example, kinda. I don't really know, but this is more like a liquidity sweep. You can see it, you know. But whatever. Maybe we can try it on this area. Let's see. I guess we would do this candle, right? And then most recent low. This. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is a good example for another bearish, I guess. Whatever. What if I did it like this one instead? That work? That wouldn't work, huh? Because it's down, up, down, up, down. Nah. That wouldn't work. That'd have to be like kind of like this. Can I? Okay, the GAN box is broken. Most recent high. Most recent low. So up, down, for most recent low. Or I guess you could say it would be like this candle, whatever. Okay, so this candle shoots all the way down. It goes past the 50% mark, but then it closes. The next candle is engulfing bullish, shoots above the 50% mark as a retest, and then closes above here, but it starts with a bearish candle or whatever candle, goes up a little bit, but retests so well that there's now a liquidity sweep here. I guess this is a bad example as well, huh? I mean, I could always confirm it, but still. That first one is definitely a good example, which is helped me understand very much. Let's see. Maybe we can try this area. It's because like these aren't really like, you know, big moves and whatnot. These are just like tiny little moves, see? I consider to like all these dips and whatnot, but at the end of the day, it is what it is. Just gotta find the perfect one, I guess. So let's see. Most recent high, most recent low. Not a good example either. Up, down, up, down, up. Most recent low. Most recent high. It depends on how you look at it, because like if I go like this, then you see like some candles are in it, but if I go like this, then you see like a lot of candles are in that area. I don't know, but I'm noticing a pattern where there's always like some type of long wick with these equilibrium, you know. Holy shit. Let me see if I can work with this. Most recent low. It'd be this one, this candle right here. Nah, that doesn't work. It's not a good example. Well, I mean, this is a good example, you know. That works. Oh, we could try right here. Totally missed that, maybe. Let's see. Okay, it's a little different. Okay, that doesn't work. Damn, bro, I can't find a bullish one. It's a little difficult. Down, up, down, consolidation, blah, 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 blah. Let's see. Oh. Okay, let's see. It's not bad. It's not the best. Dude, this is hard. Fucking this might be the most difficult one yet for sure. If I can stop having my voice cracked, that'd be nice. So I don't sound stupid. That's just, I wouldn't even take that trade. I don't know why these headphones keep dangling in spots they don't need to. I don't know, man. It's just, I mean, TGR didn't even show any examples of like bullish. He only showed like bearish. Maybe that's enough. Who knows? I mean, at the end of the day, right? Candle close below. Retest. Nah, that just doesn't work. Whatever. We got a nice bearish example, and it's about to do what I said it's about to do. I just need to find some. I mean, this right here looks like one. I mean, I don't know. Lowest point, highest point, right? Oh, but then that doesn't make sense. Or this is just another bearish example, because in highest point, get off my screen. Highest point, lowest point, and at the end of the day, it's still not really like. Am I not left clicking this shit? Still, see? Like it's. I guess this is it for bearish. Whatever. I'll find a bullish one next clip.